So I'm gonna order this online here from thinkgeek.com. I think that's the URL of the website. I'll send a link where I got this. So this is a fun tool set that I got, limited edition tool set. Figured I'd get this so that I can keep a tool set on display and not have to tuck it away. How about that? It's a functional tool set, but we'll see how well the things handle up. But the graphics, it's all fully licensed. And I forget how many pieces. I think it's like 32 pieces, I think. I don't know. Let's see here. Open it up. It's a little rattly. I think there's some loose parts in there. They all fell out.
Wow, so organized.
But I think I can look at the description online, find out where things go. That's funny. So these little part holders here, no, there, yes, here, snap in, socket wrench, and the handle for the hammer is actually a hammer. How funny is that? Look at that.
Is it at quality or is it made in China?
It's made in China, but there's a 13-ounce hammer. And there's a level. So you get Thor's razor blade, Thor's wrench, and Thor's hammer, Thor's pliers, Thor's tool set.
Hammer and Thor's 50-ounce hammer.
And then anyone can lift it.
It's like greased.
Yeah, it's grease for oil. So there is a coating of oil on it so it doesn't rust. But it just goes in there like so and locks in place. Pretty funny.